Hi everybody, today I want to talk to you about taking notes for your research project. The type of notes we're going to take, or the type of notes we're going to use, are called Cornell Notes. And there are 4 sections to Cornell Notes. If this here were a piece of paper, you'll notice there are 4 sections. This top section, this note section, this section for keywords and comments, and then this summary section. So let's look at each of these sections more closely. This top section is the first part. It's for your heading and bibliography information. So in this section, you're going to have your name, the date, the source number, and all the source information. So you might have the ISBN, the title and author, or you might simply copy and paste the citation into this section. That's probably your smartest idea. Remember, you need 15 sources, so your source should be numbered 1 through 15 here. Print sources, magazines, and articles all have authors and page numbers, so you need to avoid sources that do not. And one key idea here, I want you to know that you should only use one source per page. So again, if you have 15 sources you need to use, you will have 15 pages of notes or more. All right, the second part are all the notes that you're going to take from whatever source you do have. Your notes are going to include things that you find interesting, that you think are important, that are key ideas. You might jot down a diagram. You might import a picture. So for every note you have, please include the page numbers for each fact if you're using a print source. If you are using a direct quote, please put that in quotation marks and paraphrase whenever possible. If you are paraphrasing, please make sure that you also include the page numbers. The third part of Cornell Notes is this little sort of margin side. And in this side, you're going to wait until you have all your notes done in this section. And then you are going to pose questions. You're going to summarize main ideas, or you're going to pull out keywords. This section is very important for grouping ideas together, or you may find that you find additional key search terms. All right, so that's the third part of Cornell Notes. The last part is the synthesis part. And you're going to want to skip this because you're going to feel tired from taking all these notes and finding all these key ideas. But this is a really, really important part to Cornell Notes. So in this section down here at the bottom of your page, you're going to stop and think about what is the most important or interesting idea you have from this source. Secondly, answer what additional questions do you have about your topic? Write these down. These ideas are going to help further your research. It may set you off on a new tangent and deepen your ideas. So make sure you stop to pause to synthesize the information you have. Cornell Notes are a way to collect and organize your research. They're a way to guide your thinking, and they're a way to direct you to other resources that will help develop your topic idea and lead your research. They don't have to be fancy. I do have a copy of a template in OneNote for you. But if you notice, I did this on my kitchen table. You can just sketch this out. Again, make sure you have your name, the date. You should have the source number here, and then your citation information here. Your notes will go in this section. Your questions, main ideas, keywords over here in this margin, and then again, synthesize what is most important and interesting from this source, what additional questions you have. I want to show you in Microsoft Word. This is the template that you will have in OneNote. So feel free to use your own, that source in OneNote, or write your own. All right, so happy researching. As always, I know you can do it.